Ever dreamt of buying that hot stock, but your account balance is staring back with a lonely zero? You're not alone. Funding your investment account is the first hurdle, and waiting for that transfer can feel like an eternity, especially when you've got your eye on a potential game changer. If you're a Questrade user, you might be wondering, how long does it actually take to fund my account? Fear not, fellow investor, because today we're cracking open the Questrade deposit vault and revealing exactly how long you can expect to wait before you can unleash your trading fury. Now, before we dive in, it's important to remember that not all deposits are created equal. Just like choosing the right investment, selecting the best deposit method for your needs can make a big difference in how quickly you see that cash hit your account. So, let's break down the different deposit options Questrade offers and see how long each takes to get your investment wheels turning. The instant gratification option, Visa debit deposits. We all love instant gratification, and for those who simply can't wait, Questrade's got your back with Visa debit deposits. This option lives up to its name, crediting your account with funds, Canadian dollars only, mind you, in a flash. Yep, you guessed it, the money appears instantly. That means you can snag that stock you've been eyeing or finally jump into that ETF before the market closes, all without the waiting game. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind with this super speedy option. First, deposits to registered accounts like RRSPs are considered contributions, so make sure you're aware of the tax implications. Second, RESP and Forex and CFD accounts won't see the instant magic. For those, you'll be looking at a slightly slower wait of 1 to 2 business days. The classic choice, online bill payments. For those who prefer a more traditional route, online bill payments are a solid option. Similar to paying your monthly bills, you can initiate a transfer from your bank account directly to Questrade. This method is generally pretty quick, with funds typically arriving within 1 to 2 business days. However, just like with your internet service provider, there can always be delays. In rare cases, especially with smaller credit unions or during bank holidays, the wait time can stretch to 4 business days. If you're a new Questrade user, keep in mind there might be an additional 1 to 2 business days for account activation, so factor that into your timeline. The set it and forget it strategy, pre-authorized deposits, PADs. Planning for the future is key in investing, and that applies to your deposits as well. PADs allow you to automate your contributions, setting a specific amount to be transferred from your bank account to Questrade at regular intervals. This is a great way to consistently build your investment portfolio without having to remember to manually transfer funds each time. Here, the processing time depends on the size of your deposit. For deposits under $10,000 CAD, the wait is 3 to 4 business days. However, if you're a high roller going above that threshold, or if you're using a void check, then expect to wait up to 7 business days. Remember, these are just estimated timelines. There can always be unforeseen circumstances that might cause a slight delay. So, it's always a good idea to double-check with Questrade or your bank if you ever feel like your deposit is taking longer than expected. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.